It's a happy face, that is. What a happy girl. Tell us what you did today. Did you go to the beach? Did you? And then what? Did you have a pub lunch? At the manor? Did you? Wow, and then what happened? You had a sleepy on the way home? Wow, what a day. Bella! See, Daddy's yawning because he's tired. Bless you!
Oh, really feet freezing. Hello. I still do. Hello. Oh. Alright, calm down.
What's Daddy doing? Is he poking you with your toys? What's he doing? See, stop it, Daddy. Stop it, Daddy. Stop it, Daddy. You talking to us?
Where's Lily gone?
Out the front with the bubbles.
Oh.
Is your sister playing with the bubbles? Yeah. What's that on the front of your t-shirt? What is it? Is it a polar bear? Is it a polar bear? Say to everybody, say, I'm 6 weeks old now. I'm 6 weeks old. I's a big girl. Bella a big girl. Bella a big girl. You're a big girl, Bella. You watching you being phone, aren't you?
Watch. No, you gotta watch it seriously. Watch this, babe.
It's really the wrong choice of career for a man with a sensitive stomach and posh off for cream cake.
This is minging. Look, babe.
Out comes the poison.
Oh.
Heavy boy.
Laugh again at me, don't laugh. Watch something funny. She started laughing. Daddy laugh.